Hey guys, it's Tate here from Lacrosse, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Right, so today guys, we're going to be unboxing two boxes. This is an order I got just before our season is going to start, so let's get into it. Alright, so first we got the Maverick Max speed pads. I really like these pads because it's got the shark gel padding in it, and I really like Maverick pad design altogether. So let's get on to the next thing. Alright, on to the second thing. As you can probably tell, this is going to be a new helmet I got for this season and for when I move on to high school lacrosse. Alright. Alright, so here it is. It's the Cascade R, all white with the white pearl face mask and white chin strap. I think it looks pretty cool. We're probably going to be doing reviews on both items now. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. If you could, please hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to see more of this type stuff, let us know in the comments. And yeah, that's it.